Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jade. I'm so happy that you're here and you're checking out my video, my very first video. This channel is something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I finally got the courage to do it and I'm so excited to be making this video for you guys. And this video goes out to my family and friends. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. So in my first video, I'm going to show you guys how to get these edges laid and secured all day with no no issues. Super easy, very simple. Anybody can do this. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I first do my hair, I do my part, slick it down, yada yada yada. And then what I do with my edges, I first take a small comb and Eco Styler gel. This is my baby. It just does something to my hair that other gels don't, so I gotta stick with it. I just got to. So what I do is I take a scoop of gel. I take some gel about this much, put it down on my edges like that, and then on the other side too at the same time. And then I take my little comb. If you have a rat tooth comb, that's perfectly fine too. I just have this because I lost mine, so I had to just grab one. So you take the small side of the comb, if you have one like this, and you just slick it down and smooth it down to the front of your hair. And if you don't have edges on this side like me, let me tell you, if you're getting braids or if you're getting a sew-in, please tell them, do not braid too tight on your edges, because listen, I got a closure and I had a full sew-in. My edges, baby, gone. They were gone on this side. I was so sad. I was like, I've been working so hard to grow my hair out while I'm going natural, and my edges is just gone. So my advice to you is, please tell her to go back here and not on this right here, because it's so fragile, and the slightest tug that's too much, slip your edges right off the follicle. So please be careful. Even with braids, I wear a lot of braids, and even if you're lifting them up or putting your hair up, please try to just preserve the edges, because it's just very, very fragile in that area. And I know you guys probably know this, but just a reminder, because we gotta protect our edges, ladies. We just gotta protect our edges. So if you're have less hair in that spot like me, what I like to do is I just bring it down to the front. Like, you see that? I'm bringing it to the front like that. And then I just slick it straight down first. Just go down. All the way down. Nothing fancy yet. And even on this side, just go straight down. And then after that, after using the comb, we're gonna put that down and transfer over to the toothbrush, the holy grail toothbrush that everybody knows and loves. So what we're gonna do is I have this little situation in the front. I don't know what to call it, but it's like it's hair, I don't know. But what I like to do is I take some more gel on my toothbrush, like that much. You see that? Like that much gel, and I just swoop this little piece. I don't know, I feel like it adds something to my big head that makes it kind of just go a little bit smaller. So I just swoop this right here. You see that makeup? Make sure you don't get makeup on your forehead when you're doing this, because your makeup will kind of just slide in with it, and that's not cute. So what you're gonna do is go like this and just bring this down and make the edges a little bit softer. With the comb, it's a little bit harsh, but when you use it with the toothbrush, it makes it softer and looks more natural, more smooth. So I'm gonna take this little spot where my edges aren't as thick and just kind of create baby hairs that I don't have, that I fake like I do, but I really don't. And I just slick her down like that. And if you want to be dramatic, baby, I got you. If you want to be dramatic, bring them down a little bit more and swoop her some more. It's okay, just swoop her. swoop her. And then you can bring your little edges down right here if you want to be fancy. And then just go like that. And then just kind of blend it in with the rest of your hair so nobody knows that you're kind of edgeless in that area. And then like that, like that, like that, and just go back over it and just smooth out the areas where you feel like you're kind of just not as smooth and should be more together and just more cuter. That's not cute. And then if you need to, go back with your comb and get the perfect swoop that you really like. And just go like that. And just repeat the process of going back in with your toothbrush. And just making it how you want to. It's not complicated. You just have to take your time and just see what style that you like on your forehead. I like to put a lot of swoops on my forehead. I like to put a lot of swoops on my hair because it makes my face a little bit smaller because I have a big head. I know. So, yeah. So on this side, what we're gonna do is do the same. Actually, we're gonna do the same thing. Make your swoops and just hold it there. Swoop her back. Hold it there, swoop her back. Swoop her back. Put some more if it dries up. And you're gonna be using a lot of gel. I'm not even gonna lie. But I don't play about my gel. This is how you get it to last all day, you know? So I'm gonna swoop that back like that. Go back in with your toothbrush. Make it softer and cuter. And everybody gonna be like, your baby hair is cute, girl. You like, I know, but little do they know, you ain't got baby hairs. You know what I'm saying? They just edges. And you just take that little piece if you want to right here. I like to do that. And just add something else to the hair. And just until you get it perfectly how you want it. Just go like that. Yes. Yes, that's it right there. After you slick down your edges and everything, you get them how you want to. Make sure you go back with gel again. I know it's a lot of gel. Good thing about it is it can be washed out, but for now we're gonna layer it on, sis. We're gonna layer this gel on. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back through it and put more gel on it and just lay her down like that. And even around your hair where you already slicked it down, just put some more gel on it just to make sure you secure it. If I start getting a little frizzy or anything popping up around here, I just take some of this gel, take a little bit, pop it on there, and we're good to go. It's not that deep. Just put a little bit on there and you're good. But before you leave, make sure you take your satin scarf, any satin scarf that you have, and tie it down for about 10 to 15 minutes before you leave, and just leave it on there so it can set, get dry, and just very, very solid. What's the word? Stiff? I don't know, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Tying it down, make sure it just holds and dries in that position, the design that you did in the front, and just back here. You don't want it to come up because that's not cute if it's still wet. Just, no. So after 10 to 15 minutes, you can take it off, and bam. Edges are slick and slayed. Hey, and slayed. They're slayed. They are. They're slayed. And they're slick. And it's cute or whatever. It's cute or whatever. I know. I know. Thank you. Thank you. So, that is the final look. thank you so much for watching my very first YouTube video. I'm super excited about where this channel is gonna go and just the possibilities of it all, and you know, just doing something new and just having fun with it, you know. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to subscribe, that'd be awesome if you would, and just like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time.